Good afternoon and welcome to the WS Woodmachinery showroom. We've got some excellent bits of used equipment which have come into the showroom in the last few days. I just thought I would give a quick overview of one of the machines. This is a Griggio FS530. It's a combination planer and thicknesser. So we've got a 20-inch wide block, 530 millimeters. Long tables on it to allow you to straighten the material. It's a standard block that's on here, just your high-speed steel knives. There's 4 blades there, and there's a sort of finish you get off a nice set of sharp blades. The machine has got a soft start for the big motor. It's a 7.5 horsepower motor. We have power rise and fall on the thicknessing table, and we have 2 speeds on the feed on the thicknessing application. And I've got it into the thicknessing position. So obviously the long tables then go back. There's a safety switch lever to prevent the tables coming down. They're counterbalanced to lift them up and down, make it easy. But by lifting the tables up, it then allows us to implement the dust extraction hood. It's got a mica switch on there, and the machine won't start when it's open like that. So as I said earlier, it's a 4 number high-speed steel planing blades. We've also got sectional pressures on the machine, which is quite important too. And we've got, of course, power rise and fall. On the bed there, you'll also see bed rollers. Break down any friction and weight components. And they're also adjustable. On the feed speeds, we've got 6 meters a minute, 12 meters a minute. The machine's full C certified with a braking system, and it's available from WS Woodmachinery showroom. Have a look at it on the web at wswoodmachinery.com.